on oh, and yes, me don't for yes, and yes, we're doing the next move. Or doing the next move. A friendly tribulation. Yeah. The kingdom and the gospel of impactful transformation does. It builds your muscles against offenses. Why are you too into the Papa be no year Jumawa Bemo Beck. He comes here into this church, not knowing he comes in. The young ladies, oh, Mema we Juma, Mema we Juma, Yemama Yashia me wa Mema we Juma. Yenisuba na oh chese or finish it bare 4 girls. On any year never sorry you. Mekala, me van great you. Mekala basta sem nanka wine or drink so called Kuala basta and could be timid dying to buy weird. No offenses. Offenses. There is something that can create number 3, pain in your heart. He said you did Jimmy D. No channel for better say. Makonyi will be all that to be a question. Or say Tofi Aqua. I have placed pain in her heart. That pain can be there forever. Yeah, that pain can, if she is not careful and deal with that pain, heaven be to me born because of that pain. Na mema kokutu ewradian mi ewu abacho why. Na nyame dia cheme, but that pain can impede her. A young Pia will be the Ashwakum and through Papa one. Ya won't be fanche. This morning, I'm calling everybody to forgiveness. Forgive them. Forgive them. Forgive them. What to me you be Papa? What to me you be Papa? Adia will be no. Forgive them. Forgive. As for I don't want to talk about them. They help people, they raise people from Sunday school, give them opportunity, raise them up and all that. The people will betray them with disloyalty. 6, 7 people, they can come together and break away from a church and they go stand somewhere and speak evil about the man that gave them an opportunity.